In this video, I'll show you how you can use the Brandify feature on your designs. To do that, you'll first come over here in the sidebar, you'll see the Brandify option. The Brandify feature is very useful if you want to have consistent branding across all your designs. To add your brand preset, simply click on the plus button and we'll name this whichever you want. And once that is done, over here you'll first have to add your brand logo, the logo position which you want on your design, and then you have your brand colors, the background color which you want on your design, the big text. So for example, if it's a headline, you want a specific color for your headlines, you can choose that. And then for the small text, which are your sub headlines, you can select a color for that. And then for shapes, if you would like to have a specific color, you could choose that. Then over here in the font section, you'll see you can add your fonts for the, again, for the main headline, you can add your font, and then for the sub headline you could add your system font, or you could also add your own custom fonts. So first we'll add the logo. You could drag and drop your logo, or you could even browse through your computer files, and then over here we'll choose the logo position. So we'll want this at top left of our canvas. And then for the brand colors, you'll see we have the background. So for background, I'll choose this color. For big text, I'll choose this one. For small, I'll choose this color. And then for shapes, we'll select this color. So okay, so for the brand fonts, we'll choose two different fonts for our headline and sub headline. And once you're done, once you've added your logo, your brand colors, your brand fonts, and your logo position, once all that is done, we'll click on add preset. And once that preset has been added, you could see that you have your preset added over here. You could add multiple presets. For example, if you would like to add the logo position on top left in one brand preset, and in one brand preset you would like to have that at top center, so you have all these different options. And once you're ready, all you have to do is simply click on Brandify. And once you do that, you'll see that all the different changes have been made. The logo has been added to your design. You could now simply adjust this wherever you want. And over here you'll see we have the font which was added for our text. And again, you just have to make a few simple adjustments to it, and so that we have a clear and consistent design ready throughout our templates which we create. This is how the Brandify feature works. All you have to do is just add your logo, your brand colors, the logo position, and your fonts. And once you're ready, you just have to click on Brandify, and it'll simply just add the colors, the logo position, and everything. So let's just delete this, and over here we'll apply this one. So as you see, the background color was this color, and the logo position was in the center, so it added the logo in the center. So this is basically how the Brandify feature works. It adds all your brand presets with a single click. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to manually first go and change your brand colors. Then you don't have to add your logo and adjust that, its size and position. Everything is there for you. So for example, if we just take this template over here and we would like to add our own branding assets to it, so I'll remove these. And once everything is ready, I would like to add this particular brand preset. I'll click on the button, and you'll see that all of the changes have been made. My logo is added. I'll just make this a bit smaller, and there you have it. You can have consistent branding throughout your designs with a few single clicks.